Well, a professor from MSU bringing his students out of the classroom and into the cemetery, all in an effort to give back to the community. Ren Wadsworth met with the professor to find out more.
The Mountview Cemetery is one of the oldest cemeteries in Billings, but with that history comes untold underground secrets. Mountview Cemetery has sat in Billings for over 100 years and spans 65 acres. Mountview is home to thousands of grave sites, but some of the cemetery's residents are unknown. The city wanted to change that. Due to the help they've received in the past with studies of the same nature, Billings Parks and Recreation contacted MSU Billings Professor Dr. Tom Rust to discover what's under the surface.
They knew there were a number of people. They were kind of curious where they were. We brought the class out here to try and use some of our technology in a non-invasive way. We didn't excavate. We weren't going to dig anybody out. But we're going to use technology to see if we could identify the graves.
Russ took his students with him as a service learning opportunity, where the class focuses on applying what they've learned in the classroom and figuring out how it can benefit the community. With students from his Historical Archaeology of the Americas class, Russ gridded out an area of potential grave sites. After scanning the area with radar and analyzing the changes in the ground's magnetic field, Russ and his students were able to identify over 50 previously unidentified sites.
And we use a magnetometer that measures the very, very slight disruptions in the Earth's magnetic field. And what that can do is give you an indication that either the ground has been disturbed, because even if you dig a hole and bury it right back up, it's going to have a different compaction than the soil around it. And depending upon the iron content of that soil, it'll give a slightly different, very slight different magnetic signature that if you have a sensitive enough instrument, you can measure.
Because the graves were unmarked, the new information allowed Mountview Cemetery to match some of the sites to their identification records. The new insight from Rust and his students gives Mountview a glimpse into Billings history and opportunities for the future. In Billings, I'm Ren Wadsworth, Montana, right now.